Good evening, dear students. Now, last period we have studied how we find the derivatives of these composite functions. Now, today we'll see one special method in differentiation. So, that method is used for the simplicity and the productivity. That is to solve the examples in minimum time and in simple ways we'll use the logarithmic differentiation. Now when we use the logarithmic differentiation, so that related to the rules of the logarithm. So you know this log AB, that is if the product log A plus log B, log A upon B, log A minus log B, meaning of that when there is the product and division of number of functions, we'll use logarithmic differentiation. Now log A raised to m, you know this m log A, you observe the videos of the function. In that I have explained all the types of the functions, what are the rules of the calculation for different types of the functions. So when you are in the logarithm, you recall what is the definition of log, what are the rules in the log, and by recalling that rules, we'll do the calculation. So here, apply when first product and division of number of functions and function raised to function. That is f of x raised to g of x, this type of the function. Now this, how we'll apply logarithmic differentiation in, so in short, logarithmic differentiation means first take logs of function and then differentiate. First take logs of the functions and then differentiate. Apply when there is the product division of number of function, and second take function raised to function, that is f of x raised to g of x. Now with some examples we understood how this logarithmic differentiation will use to take the derivatives. So first example will follow. So I have written already here the examples. So we'll follow this suppose first example. So let y equal to x square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2, 3x square minus 5 raised to 7 by 2 divided by 4x square plus 3 bracket cube. Now here product division of number of functions. So if we instead of logarithmic differentiation, if we take the derivatives directly, you want to use here u upon v rule. Again, there is the functions are composite functions, so power formula, and then you want to take the derivatives of that. So it's, and again the numerator there is the product, so you want to use v rule also. So if we take the derivatives directly, the method is complicated and time consuming. So that is, we are not achieving aim of engineering. That is the productivity and the simplicity. So that when aim of engineering is not applicable, not applied. So if we use here logarithmic differentiation, if we take the log, and here when the product division of number of functions, we'll use the logarithmic differentiation. So we'll take the log. So taking logs. So function will simplify by taking log. So log y is equal to Now when we will take the log, multiplication, addition, division, subtraction, power is multiplied. There are three rules you apply directly here to reduce the time of write-up and calculation. So 3 upon 2 log x square plus 1 plus power 7 upon 2 is multiplied log 3x square minus 5 division means minus power multiplied 3 log 4x square plus 3. Now instead of, if we take here, you want to use here u, v, u by v, etc. But if we take the logs here, very simple derivatives, directly we are getting the derivatives. So we differentiate with respect to x. So derivatives of log y, 1 upon y, dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 constant, we will take outside by applying the theorem Ku. Now derivatives of log is the main function. Instead of x here, x square plus 1, that is the polynomial function. So this is the composite function. So derivative of log is 1 upon. So 1 upon we write x square plus 1. Here instead of x square plus 1, you take the derivatives of that by applying the theorem of composite function. So derivative of x square is 2x plus 1 is 0. Plus 7 upon 2 constant, derivatives of log 1 upon 3x square minus 5 into derivatives of 3x square is 6x minus 5 0 minus 3 1 upon 4x square plus 3 into derivatives of 4 constant x square is 2x and plus 3 is 0. So dy by dx equal to y we get here multiplied, here division, here multiplied, into bracket 2 gets cancelled here, 3x divided by x square plus 1 plus, now here 2 as 3 6, 21x divided by 3x square minus 5 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 is 24x divided by 4x square plus 3, and finally you put the value of y. So dy by dx equal to x square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2, 3x square minus 5 raised to 7 upon 2 divided by 4x square plus 3 raised to 3 into bracket 3x upon x square plus 1 plus 21x divided by 3x square minus 5 minus 24x divided by 4x square plus 3. So this is the derivatives of this function. Now we'll solve the second example. So let y is equal to 3 raised to x tan x divided by 2x plus 1 bracket cube log x. So here at numerator product of two functions, at denominator also product of two functions, and division is there again. So meaning in short, product and division of number of functions. So we'll take the logs for the simplicity of derivatives. So taking logs. So log y is equal to, we'll get. So log of 3 raised to x means x log 3 plus log tan x. Now denominator functions minus. So minus power multiplied 3 log 2x plus 1 minus log of log x. So actually here product is plus, but at denominator is minus. Now this is very simple to take the derivatives. So take derivatives now. Differentiate with respect to to x. So derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx equal to. Now log 3 constant, we are taking outside, derivative of x is 1. So this derivative is log 3 constant into 1 plus derivative of log is 1 upon tan x and then into derivative of tan x composite function. So sec square x minus 3 constant, derivative of log is 1 upon 2x plus 1 into derivative of 2x is 2 constant, x is 1 plus 1 is a 0 minus 1 upon derivative of log is 1 upon log x and again derivative of this log x is 1 upon x. So dy by dx equal to y into bracket log 3 plus sec square x upon tan x minus 3 into 2 is 6 upon 2x plus 1 minus 1 upon x log x. So dy by dx equal to, now we introduce the value of y. So 3 raised to x tan x divided by 2x plus 1 raised to 3 log x into bracket log 3 plus sec square x upon tan x minus 6 upon 2x plus 1 minus 1 upon x log x. So this is the derivative of the second example. Okay, now we'll see how we find the derivative of this third example. So third example, let y is equal to the function that is root of 5x plus 1 bracket cube divided by 2x plus 3 raised to 5 x minus 1 raised to 7. We can write this 5x plus 1 raised to 3 upon 2. Root means half power. So you know this indices rule. Nth root of log, nth root of a raised to m. A raised to m upon n, that one. So 2x plus 3 raised to 5 upon 2. x minus 1 raised to 7 upon 2. Now here also the product division of number of functions will take log, taking logs. So log y is equal to 3 upon 2 log 5x plus 1, power multiply here. Now denominator minus 5 by 2 log 2x plus 3. Now this is at denominator minus again 7 upon 2 log x minus 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y 1 upon y and y with respect to x dy by dx is equal to 3 upon 2 derivative of log is 1 upon 5x plus 1 into derivative of 5x plus 1. This is composite function. So you take the derivative. So 5 constant, derivative of x is 1 plus 1 is a 0 minus 5 upon 2 1 upon 2x plus 3 into 2 derivative of x is 1 and 3 is a 0 minus 7 upon 2 1 upon x plus 1 derivative of this log into derivative of x is 1 and 1 is a 0. So dy by dx is equal to y into bracket 15 upon 2 into bracket 5x plus 1 minus 5 into 2 is 2 gets cancelled here. So 5 divided by 2x plus 3 minus 7 divided by 2 into bracket x minus 1. Finally introduce the value of this y. So root of 5x plus 1 raised to 3 divided by 2x plus 3 raised to 5 x minus 1 raised to 7 into bracket 15 divided by 2 into bracket 5x plus 1 minus 5 into bracket 2x plus 3 minus 7 divided by 2 into bracket x minus 1. Okay, you understood this? So like this we'll take the derivatives of this third example. Now fourth example is in the function raised to function in that form. Actually, one formula we are getting that are used in higher levels, JEE examples directly into a standard board exams. We are applying the method, but for high levels we use the formula directly, but that is applicable only for that type of the function. So suppose we'll take this, this, if y is equal to suppose x raised to x, y is equal to x raised to x. Now here, this x raised to x will be function raised to function, will take taking logs. So log y is equal to x log x. Differentiate with respect to x, 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to x constant, UV formula, what derivatives of log x 1 upon x plus log x constant and derivatives of x is 1. So we have used here UV formula. So dy by dx is equal to y into bracket, this x gets cancelled, means 1 plus log x. So that is equal to x raised to x, 1 plus log x. Therefore, d by dx of x raised to x, x raised to x, 1 plus log x. So this is the standard formula. So you can use this in competitive exams. And engineering. In board, you solve these examples by the method. So here, in third example, we can use this formula. That is this method. That is how we find the derivatives of this function raised to function. So fourth example we will take now. Let y is equal to e raised to x raised to x, taking logs. Log y equal to log of e raised to x raised to x, that is x raised to x log e base e, so one value, so x raised to x into 1, so log y is equal to x raised to x. Now we will differentiate taking logs. Or differentiate with respect to x. This is in the formula 1 upon y log y is equal to x raised to x, derivatives formula, x raised to x 1 plus log x. So it's 1 upon y dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to y into bracket y into x raised to x 1 plus log x. So that is equal to e raised to x into x raised to x 1 plus log x. So like this we will find the derivatives of this fourth example. Okay, you understood this? If you observe this thoroughly, very nicely you will understood 100%. You will understood the concepts and you will be able to solve examples yourself. But watching of the videos thoroughly with minimum speeds, that is very important. Now we will see this next example, fifth example. Let y is equal to cos x raised to x divided by 1 plus x square. So take log, taking logs. So log y is equal to x log of cos x. Now here function is not differentiable, but here function is differentiable. And minus log 1 plus x square. Now take derivative, so differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of log y 1 upon y, and y with respect to x, dy by dx equal to, here you will formula x constant, derivative of log 1 upon cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, composite function, plus log of cos x constant, and derivative of x is 1, minus, now this derivative of this function, log is 1 upon 1 plus x square, into derivative of 1 is 0 and x square is 2x. So dy by dx equal to y into bracket minus x tan x plus log cos x and minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Finally introduce the value of y. So cos x raised to x divided by 1 plus x square into bracket. So positive term will write first. So log of cos x minus x tan x minus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, you understood this? So you observe it. Take around 6 example, y is equal to cos x raised to log x plus log x raised to x. Now here, in this example, mostly the students make the mistakes. So mistake students makes. So what mistake is, while taking the log, they are taking the log like this. They are observing that this is the function raised to function, and they are taking log like this. Log y is equal to log x, log of cos x plus x, log of log x. But this is completely wrong. That is, the rule of logarithm is not followed. So you know this when there is a product, we'll use log a b log a plus log b. Division log a upon b log a minus log b. So if log a plus b, that not be simplified, and we are simplifying like this. So this is completely wrong. You will get the 0 marks for that exam. So log y is equal to actually this log of this complete function is coming, and no simplification is further. No any rule in the logarithm to simplify this. So meaning of that, by taking the log directly, we are making the example very much complicated. So actually, how log is taken? So here, when addition and subtraction of the functions, you take log separately and differentiate separately, and then use the addition subtraction rules. So solution. So y is equal to cos x raised to log x plus log x raised to x. Suppose this is u and this is v, we will consider. So let u equal to cos x raised to log x, taking logs. We have taken u is equal to taking logs. So log u equal to log x log of cos x. Now by UV rule, we will differentiate this. So differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon u du by dx. Derivative of log u 1 upon u, and u with respect to x du by dx is equal to log x constant. Derivative of this log 1 upon cos x, and derivative of cos is minus sin x, plus log of cos x will keep constant, and derivative of this log x is 1 upon x. So du upon dx equal to u into bracket minus sin x log x, or we can write sin upon cos is a tan. So minus tan x log x plus log of cos x divided by x. Now introduce the value of u. So cos x raised to log x into bracket minus tan, or first we will write positive term, log of cos x divided by x minus tan x log x. Now let v equal to log x raised to x. So taking logs, log v equal to, we can write x log of log x. Now this is u and this is v function. Differentiate with respect to x. So if we differentiate this, derivative of log v is 1 upon v dv by dx equal to x will keep constant, derivative of log is 1 upon log x, and derivative of this log x is 1 upon x, composite function, plus log of log x will keep constant and derivative of x is 1. So dv upon dx is equal to v into bracket x gets cancelled, 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Now we introduce the value of v, log x raised to x into bracket 1 upon log x plus log of log x. Now since y is equal to u plus v, so dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So that is equal to, from second and third equation, write the result together. So cos x raised to log x into bracket log of cos x divided by x minus tan x into log x plus log x raised to x 1 upon log x plus log of log x. So this is the derivatives of sixth example. Now last example, we will take seventh example. Let y equal to x raised to x plus x cube plus 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to 3. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So here actually this is addition of function, but there also x raised to x. We know the standard formula. Derivative of x raised to x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. X cube derivative, you know this 3x square, 3 raised to x, these are the elementary functions. So directly we differentiate, not essential to take the logs. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of x raised to x 1 plus log x plus derivative of x cube, addition of function, addition of derivatives 3x square plus 3 raised to x derivatives 3 raised to x log 3, a raised to x power 3 raised to 3 is a constant, so derivative is 0. So dy by dx is equal to x raised to x 1 plus log x plus 3x square plus 3 raised to x log 3. So this is about the method of differentiation, that is logarithmic differentiation. First we will taking logs and then differentiating. So by solving these examples, now use practice from the textbook. So lot of the practice is required to get the command on the derivatives. Okay, thank you.